Guys, you see him? So yeah, I'm in the BT50, the Mazda. Wow, I look very ama, so just leave me, okay? Woo! I haven't driven this car before. So yeah, today's going to be something different as well. Today I'm surprising Lenny with a sort of date night. I'm doing something a little bit different. So I needed this car because I'm taking Lenny stargazing. Sorry, I'm just very distracted by the car because the first time I'm in a Mazda BT50, so I'm like, ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's that? I'm going to go stargazing with Lenny. I'm taking him on a surprise date night. He doesn't know what we're doing. I just told him to be ready by 4. So hopefully we can catch the sunset and then stargaze and then just spend quality time with each other. And obviously can't speak properly again. And yeah, now I have to go prepare. It is 11:15 now, and shout outs to the guy you saw just now, just standing there. Yeah, he is the one that is so sweet to lend me his 4x4. So yeah, let's go. Have y'all ever been so close to such a big signboard before? Wow. I initially wanted to go to Top Catch. I'm not sure if y'all know about Top Catch, but apparently it has one of the best salmons for a very good price, so it's very value for money. That's what I got because Lenny always buys his salmon from there, so I thought I'm gonna get salmon for our dinner date tonight, but it's closed. So next best thing, which I also actually haven't figured out, because he likes salmon and he likes steak, but he also very particular with the things he eat one. Like he only eats salmon from here, and other salmon he like, not so nice. And then steak also he cannot tapao. He also, no, I want to eat steak at the restaurant, because if I don't eat steak at the restaurant means not so nice. And then yeah, he's a bit particular with his food. So I'm coming up with something else. The menu, I'm gonna go back and cook some pasta, because I researched and apparently pasta is like very easy to make and it's like picnic food. I'm gonna make salad as well. For dessert, I'm gonna get him cheesecake, and I actually forgot where to buy his favorite cheesecake from. And yeah, I'm just gonna Google best cheesecakes and I'm just gonna buy cheesecake from wherever, cause no matter what, he'll still love me lah for pulling this off. So yeah, I'm thinking of what are the meat contributions I can add to the menu, because he's a meat eater. I'm gonna buy some ingredients now and see what else I can find. Like, worst come to worst, I'm just gonna get him some KFC lah, okay? I mean, fried chicken's always everyone's favorite, kan? Okay, so I bought a bit of stuff there to make, and a bit of cheating because I bought some sushi. Kind of salmon, not really salmon, but got one slice, one sashimi. I don't know what you call it, unagi, whatever lah ha. Yeah, it's in there. Cheated a bit, and now I'm gonna head to get the cheesecake, and I think I'm done.
And material quality compared to rivals. Still, this is a fun car that offers impressive performance, a great sound, and good driving enjoyment in a world where the Porsche 9...
So I finished my aglio olio with mushrooms. Everything is ready in the fridge. That's my salad, just drying it out a bit. And then the sushi, and then the cake. The weather is not being nice. It's currently 4 o'clock. Let's see how it is in an hour, I'm guessing. Very, very heavy. Very heavy. Hope for the best. Okay, weather is looking good. It stopped raining. Ta-da! And I changed. This is special because he actually wear this before. Like, he wore my dress before. Just gonna a bit of... Hey, do you see the Phoebe thing? I accidentally sprayed my face. I was a little bit too enthusiastic about talking into the camera. Woo! Maybe I sprayed a bit into my mouth also there. So this is how the mattress came in. Me for scale, and this is queen size. Okay, that's the shopping cart. This is easier than a mattress. Ooh, I'm actually just holding it in one hand, guys. Oh wow. This is easier than I thought. Ta-da! So yeah, I'm just doing it one-handed. Oh wow! Guys, this is very easy. Not bad, right? This garage. BT50 and MX5. So yes, it's behind there. Easy. And let's go. Do you have any idea where we're going?
I don't want to say. I pretend to know.
But you do have an idea.
I do.
Where? Say only.
It's a lake.
It's not one of my final surprises yet.
Unless you'll be like, okay, you go out, then later pick you up somewhere.
I wanted to do that, dah lah, naman lah, kesian.
I know. Later this guy got work to do.
Yeah, cause you gotta earn me more money
I
for
thought
my
that's
car.
for you.
You gotta
I thought you
earn me
earning
more
money
money
for
for
me.
me. Eh?
Wait, what?
So we have arrived and it's a bit cloudy. Hopefully we get to see some stars later. And genius me, I thought can see sunset, but sun rises in the east and sets in the west, so I can see the sunset far behind me. And we're waiting for it to stop drizzling a little bit more before we start setting up. Okay guys, so we got to see sunset, but no way we are going to stay to stargaze because yeah, that's rain. So we're just gonna try again another time. Yeah, but it was a nice drive with a 4x4.
Really?
Sure.
Facts in this case are Faye Richardson fired Michael and she didn't
Couldn't
have
do
to
it,
show
so
off, even though she didn't
next
need
best
a
thing?
reason to fire.
Okay, seems like we're chasing sunsets. Today's weather seems to be good, and today we're gonna try another location. Okay, let's try. Hopefully, let's go. So while I was doing my research, apparently there's this place that's very nice for sunsets, and it's just quite nearby. It's somewhere in Bukit Tungku. It's called Changkat Tungku Lookout Point. Let's say I never share, huh? One more minute up.
Oh, 1 more minute.
Yeah. I think we're gonna make it. Here's the one. Wow, look at the garage, man. Damn. So nice. Maybe not sunset lah, maybe just sun disappear. The sunset spot.
Well, you followed my clues and reached your destination. Lucky guesses. But good work nonetheless.
Oh, sun is there.
Sun is here lah.
Oh yeah.
Park here apa? Good life, park here.
Reverse,
Ah yeah, reverse in. I thought sun here. Okay, sunrise is here. Then sunset is there. Means this is the east.
Yes.
And that's the west. Wow, look at that. I know my north, south, east, west. Okay guys, this is quite a nice place. As in, there's like nice empty parking here. And then there's parking spaces here. Okay, this is something interesting because why we're chasing sunsets and stargazing and all that is because I got the Joey mattress and I'm going to try to put the Joey mattress behind here because it comes in a box and I thought what other better way than unwrapping it on a 4x4. So yeah, let's try it out now. Woo! But there's
Don't know better.
a lot of mosquitoes and I'm mosquito repellent for people because they're all attracted to me. Okay, come.
What is this way, right?
So because yesterday tak jadi, all my food, everything I plan all kena whack this. This is unboxed. Wow! It's actually damn small, love. Oh, wow. So yeah, it comes like this, which is actually very, very compact. Never seen it before. You go, love. I'm here again giving you moral support. You can do it. Quite nice to enjoy the sunset here.
People who live here will be like, what are these people doing?
Unboxing a Joey Mattress. Did it. I quite enjoy. Put it in the box. So it comes with like a manual. Obviously Malaysians, we don't read the manual, we just terus tukar. Trust us, we are good in bed. Open up the big blue box and make sure to unbox in the correct room using the special cutting tool. Oh, got special cutting tool one. This is why you should always read before doing all this. So it comes with an unwrapping tool, then cut the second plastic layer carefully. Watch your Joey expand tonight. Okay, read the rest later. Are we ready?
It might just pop open and close.
Excellent.
Very different. And this is the sound.
Thank you. Oh, this is actually quite a good tool, my love. Oh, quite ngam lah. Okay, so for our sake, we are keeping this plastic on. So yeah, we opened it on 4x4. This is like what I always dreamed about. You know, last time, like a mattress behind a 4x4 and then we take it out and then we go stargazing. But obviously in other countries there are not so many mosquitoes. Can you see all of this on my head? The beauty about this mattress is also that we can actually try it for 99 days, and if we don't like, we can return. So last time, being the Malaysian that I am, right, I'll be like, I buy 99 days, then I return, then he buy 99 days, then he returns, then that's like half a year already. Then
you use your mom's name.
Yeah. But somehow always to the same address one lah. So I think they'll catch up lah.
No lah, since they deliver in this box, we can change addresses also.
Well, of course, we're not that type of people, because we obviously didn't do it. But it was in our thoughts. So please, don't do it ah. Hey, enjoy sunset ah.
Quite nice. It's a coconut tree blocking.
It's filter. Coconut tree filter.
Feeling full because there's a plastic cover.
So nice. It's 6:55, people. Thank you to the gods, man. Thank you to the rain god, sun god, sunset god, all the gods, okay? Okay, bye sun. It's so nice. Oh, the sun is gone. Sunset already.
But it's set behind a cloud.
So we're gonna attempt to tie this. And I just noticed. Ngam eh. Not bad. I know you think this is stupid. It's go time. It's go time.
Property like this.
Champion lah, you love. Okay. So I have my own compartment here.
Sorry.
So if you ever need to change in a lift, this is what you should do. See, one person also can one.
Hey!
Moral support, yeah. Okay, this is actually pretty heavy. It's like 30 kg. You go, love. You damn macho. Whoo. Wow. So, for a Joey mattress, you can actually handle it on your own. But if you need a calefare, like someone like me, I'm just holding the door open. Okay, makan time! Alright, so he is very excited to try this mattress. We haven't showered yet. We should actually shower before lying down.
Few seconds can, 5 seconds. So we have to get off.
Okay, so he's very excited to I thought you were gonna show to me to try this. So, okay, let me see whether it's in frame or not. Okay, go.
Okay?
Yeah.
Not bad?
Not bad. And this is empty. So if there's liquid inside, it's actually
Stabler.
my head. Not bad.
Your feet clean. Huh?
Yeah?
You sure?
Sure. So even though we are a relatively young couple, both of us got like back problem once. So my boyfriend is very interested and very enthusiastic to try the new mattress that we actually laid it out on our living room floor on the carpet. And yeah, I requested to have the plastic at the bottom as well, and we're gonna sleep here to find out if this mattress is actually better than the ones, sorry, not better, but more appropriate lah for our backs as compared to the one we have. Now this mattress is like for half the price that we paid for the mattress that is in our master bedroom currently. So I'm actually quite scared to find out like if I actually prefer this mattress as compared to the one that we paid double the price for. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning guys. So we slept on Joey Mattress last night, and I'm quite sad and happy at the same time because my back actually feels so much better. Last night, I kid you not, when I lied down on Joey Mattress, I could feel my back adjusting, and when I woke up this morning, I feel completely okay now. Usually I wake up with a backache, especially when I sleep with a backache, but I can't believe it. I actually prefer this mattress as compared to the one that we have because it's firmer. So I prefer mattresses that are a little harsher, a little harder, and this mattress is definitely harder. So yeah, I think we're going to sort it out with the current mattress we have. Oh my god, for half the price. Wow.